To package items for shipping on Depop effectively, start by gathering the necessary materials, including a sturdy box, bubble wrap, packing paper, tape, and a shipping label. Choose a box that is the right size for the item, leaving enough space for padding to prevent damage during transit. Next, wrap the item in bubble wrap or packing paper to protect it from scratches and breaks. For fragile items, consider using additional layers of protection, such as foam inserts or peanuts. Place the wrapped item in the box, filling any empty spaces with packing paper or bubble wrap to prevent movement. Seal the box with packing tape, applying it in a way that prevents the box from opening during shipping. Make sure the tape is secure and covers all seams. Then, attach the shipping label to the box, ensuring it is clearly visible and includes the buyer's address and any relevant handling instructions. When shipping clothing or fabric items, consider using a poly mailer or a box specifically designed for garments. For heavier or bulkier items, use a larger box and reinforce it with additional tape and padding as needed. To ensure a smooth shipping process, include a personalized note or a packing slip with the buyer's order details. This adds a touch of customer service and helps prevent any confusion. Finally, take clear photos of the packaged item before shipping, in case of any disputes or issues with the buyer. By following these steps and using the right materials, you can package your items securely and efficiently, providing a positive experience for your Depop buyers and helping to build your reputation as a reliable seller. Remember to stay organized, keep records of your shipments, and be prepared to handle any issues that may arise during the shipping process.